Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hi gang, Poppy here in the computer room. This is a special word to my friend Everett. See where my finger, over here, see where the finger's pointing? That's one of his stickers on that piece of foam core. I just received it yesterday. Everett, thank you, man. Thank you. I put the other sticker in here it is. I put the other sticker in the envelope in this. It's a Whitman sampler tin. I got it this Christmas. I figure keep the eye candy in a candy tin. As stickers roll in from other people, gee, I wish. One goes on the foam core, temporarily taped. One and the envelope goes in the box. When I get enough to where I have trouble seeing the foam core, I get out a piece of door skin, varnish it, and permanently stick. Anyway, Everett, thank you.